Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to download someone's Insta story. So to do that, let's head over to Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged into your desired account and then head over to your any story that you want to download with um, audio or the music. So what you need to do is just to go back and start your phone screen recorder. So there will be this option, so must use this media and mic option. Otherwise, if you only choose the media option, then you can't just get the music too. So use the media and mic option and start the recording and head over to that video or story you want to record, and just wait and keep steady till you may download the or screen record the story, and then just save it on your phone. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.